So creating game maps with AI is actually way easier than it used to be. You don't need to be a pro game designer, you just need the right tools. Step 1, pick your AI platform. Tools like Scenario, Meshi, or even ChatGPT with plugins can generate terrain, textures, and layouts. Some people also use stable diffusion models trained on game assets for more custom maps. Step 2, decide what you want. Is it an open world forest, a desert arena, or a sci-fi city? You just type a prompt describing it, like a futuristic battlefield with neon skyscrapers and underground tunnels, and hit generate. And the AI spits out a base map. Step 3, bring that map into your engine. If you're using Unity on Unreal, you can import the generating assets, then tweak the lighting, physics, or add spawn points manually so it's playable. The trick is using AI for the heavy lifting, then polishing it yourself. That way you get maps that look professional but still feel unique. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.